Hey hi ho and hello stream. Let's kick this very tiresome morning off with some Hearthstone, shall we? Whoop whoop. Now, I've actually not won the tavern brawl yet, so we're gonna take this terrible... No, we're not. We're gonna start off really quickly, deleting this deck, and we're gonna make a new one. We're gonna go with Warlock, because Warlock is, I guess, what we want. We're gonna want Flame Imp, Blood Imp, sure. I have no idea what's good to this guy, but we're gonna try our best to. This guy looks good. Sure. Sure. 2 Hellfires. Fist of Jaraxxus. I have no idea what that does. Oh, lordy poo. Implosion. Sure. No. Sure. Sure. And then we go. What's Sadie? Anything more that deals damage to us? No, we don't really need that, do we? Just need some annoying taunts, something that clears stuff. Let's go straight for aiming for the semi-late game here, I guess, which is what I tend to usually do. Well, at least with stuff like this, you know, where you want to hang around. There we go. A little bit of you. Then we hop for a. Well, let's actually get rid of this guy and have 2 Nova Giants, so that we can just throw them out there as soon as stuff and things start happening. So let's get into it. We can do it. Let's go. Here's hoping we can actually defeat this. So what the plan for today's stream was, at least in my opinion, was that it was gonna have try and win the pack of Tavern Brawl, since I hadn't done that already, and then I was gonna try some ranked. Now, playing ranked half asleep is a pretty it's a pretty precarious idea, but why don't we go for it? I mean, we've got 5 days of the season left. Anything could happen, so you know, let's just get into it. Now, the Flame Imp actually is a magnificent addition, because I'm right now losing by 3 health. So next turn I should get a free minion, which is pretty darn cool if you ask me. Like, this looks pretty OP, and he didn't even do anything, so we can do this. Oh, but didn't get a minion. I guess it must be losing by more than 3 points. I guess, maybe. Don't know. They're gonna play some. Oh wait. Oh, they took damage. Oh, what am I doing? I'm not even thinking about how to play this. You see, I am now losing by some random amount of stuff and things. Let us deal damage to ourselves and then end the turn, because she's playing a good game as well, I guess, but we have a hero power that can just take us down whenever we want, which is really a pretty decent thing. There she goes. Does she have a combo? She does have a combo. Well, not a combo card per se, but... Alright, I should get a free minion here. That's a pretty shitty... Let's end the turn. Might have noticed I've got this really weird headband on. Well, it's not weird to me, but since I started studying Japanese in the university, there's lots of stuff like this you tend to get given by some of the exchange students, which is a lot of fun. Like, this is a pretty cool piece of like she's going for it. Fair play. Oh, okay. I got a demolisher. That's pretty freaking badass. Why don't we just do this and then do this? Kill it, and we keep the edge. Sounds good to me. But yeah, you know, you get to know some of the exchange students, especially from Japan, now that I'm studying Japanese. And so, you know, you show them around, you know, you have a good time with them, and I was lucky enough to have a friend that decided I was worth giving a gift. It was quite nice of him. Sup, Ragnar? Yes, I'm playing the new Tavern Brawl. That's you checking in on me. That's always nice. So, for those of you who don't know, if I might upload this stream onto the channel later on, this is the last week of September Tavern Brawl, where if you're losing by more than 3 health, you get like an extra minion given to you, or something. Let's see. So let's clear the board here of all of these things, and oh look, I managed to buff him up again. Let's just go in for the kill, shall we? I mean, I guess we've got some pretty decent. I mean, we're gonna have double freaking 8/8s on the board later in next turn, which means we're pretty safe for a for lethal. Oh, okay, assassinate now. It's pretty good to bait out the assassinate this early on, but she's gonna get a free minion. Oh wait. Guess it didn't really matter, but well. Why don't we just... No, wait, let's keep this one in. She might get another good one. So why don't we just throw out Shade of Noxtramus and end our turn. I end my turn. Such a Yu-Gi-Oh thing to say, I don't know why. But it really is. It just feels like it. I used to play like a shit ton of Yu-Gi-Oh when I was a kid. And unlike a lot of people, oh no, my imp. But yeah, like unlike a lot of other people, I guess I still actually have most of my cards. Morning, David. How are we feeling today? Glad you could tune into the stream. Just playing a little bit of Tavern Brawl, like I said to Ragnar earlier. I don't really understand how I'm winning. This is literally a deck I threw together in 3 seconds, pretty much. Oh, Shiv. Good card. Good card on that. 1 damage. Are you doing terrible? My god, that is terrible. It's never nice to feel or to be doing terrible in the morning, but I guess the mornings are the most understandable of them all, I guess. But yeah, there we go. Blam. Blam. Pretty much hard to beat 2 8/8s on a single turn when you have lethal next turn, so woohoo! The Warlock definitely is the best choice. Oh look, we even finished the quest. Only the Mighty play 20 minions that cost 5 and more. Alright, now, oh, and also 3 wins in a... Ragnar does agree as well. It is best to be horrible in the morning, or is it just that you are horrible in the morning as well? I don't know. Alright, let's open this pack here and let's move our gaze upon Reicht in Hearthstone as well. Right, let's see. Nothing. Oh, what? What? Oh my god! So we've got a legendary and epic. What the fuck? Okay, so Silence of Minion, Silver Hand Knight, and an Ancient Brewmaster. Nothing special. The epic, Sword of Justice. That's pretty freaking baller. I haven't actually got that one, so let's see. Oh shit! That's amazing though! Like what the hell? How do you... You're not supposed to get cards like this! In fucking... What? That's... Wow, man. What the crap? I have a good feeling about... I have a good feeling about rank now. We're in rank 21 from the last season. Thanks, Ragnar. It is a good job getting random. I mean, RNG Jesus on my side today, I guess. I really hope so. So we're gonna go... I mean, I'm super sleepy. I'm basically undead at this point, which is why we're gonna go with the undead paladin and see if we can't win some games in ranked with this guy here. I mean, I highly doubt that it'll be anything fantastic, but if we can run into a priest like we did ages ago in ranked, where he actually changed his hero power and then elected to heal himself, giving me lethal, because he healed himself, and you know, because he's, you know what I'm talking about, I hope. If you don't, like, don't worry. It really doesn't matter. It's nothing of any interest, really. Alright, so we've got a turn 3, deadly. That looks good to me. No! Here we go. Every single fucking time. You see? Did you see what I had in my starting hand? I took out the fucking... this card and the other card I threw away. The synergy, but... Oh my god. It just like... I never get the two of them in my hand at the same fucking time. It's horrible, and I just realized as well, to my much misery, that we have a golden hero playing against us, which is absolutely fucking ridiculous, if you ask me. Like, why am I getting the golden guy? Why are you in rank 20? Have you just not been playing? Has that been the thing? Like, oh my goodness gracious me. I totally forgot to ask earlier as well. If you guys in the chat, well, that came out like just perfect.
Thank you.
Just perfect. That's ridiculous. Why did he do that? Is he trying? Okay, go ahead and sacrifice your cannon then. Or... Okay, fair place. That was actually kind of lucky. But we're dealing with a very annoying pirate thing, I guess? Alright, I mean... Oh, crackerjack. I thought it was.
Job's done. I am sorry.
Let's do a whoops as well, because it definitely was.
That was a mistake.
Whoopsie! I forgot to check that it actually is an enemy minion, not a friendly minion. So this guy is pretty much useless now, unless I pop out Avenge and Muster for battle next turn, which is also a dangerous move, but it's the best one I can do right now because he has 3-2-1 cards. And
I wonder.
yeah.
X marks the spot.
Really? Come on. Okay, I mean, to the face, I guess it's better than freaking killing. Eviscerate it is, I mean... I've not seen an actual pirate rogue. I don't think, like, ever? But... This is at least something, I guess. So, off to a pretty bad start. But so far we haven't made any terrible errors, except for obviously, you know, using the one where this guy only has pirates. That is ridiculous. What? Oh, for the love of God, does this guy actually, like... What is with his hand? Other pirates have +1/1. Yes, but that does not explain the buff to the weapon. Is that... Oh... Oh, that's... Yeah, I'm fucking dead. I'm fucking... Well, we're off to a fantastic start here. I mean, I'm gonna need a... Yeah, no. I can't even kill anything on the board because he buffed all of these. Oh well. We'll just go face. Yes, you will, lady. Have a good one, Doors. You cheeky fucking cheat McCheaterton. Oh, I can't legally start at this rank. So, I guess RNGesus just paid me a very quick visit. Not exactly like the whole hanging out for a day. I mean, maybe he just popped off to the bathroom. I don't know. But, yeah, interesting start, I guess. Some very slight misplays made. Guess maybe the misplays were just the fact that I didn't notice that it was a golden hero.
I will fight with honor.
Avenge. Do I want to keep that? Oh, you see, here we go. Yawning and stuff begins. We're against Cisco. Woohoo! If anyone here watches The Flash, you know that Cisco is a character in obviously the comics and the show. Potential spoilers, but apparently he's going to be getting powers in the second series. I think I've read something about that or something. Obviously, I know nothing about like how it happens or why or what kind of powers. I'm not superbly in the. I'm a lot more familiar with the. I'm a lot more familiar with the Marvel setup than I am with the DC. I'm a vivid Marvel comic reader. And it's not that I don't like, well, it is slightly the fact that I don't like DC. I just find that some of their stories and comics and stuff I've read over the years have not been as satisfying to read. I haven't gotten as much into the characters as I have for Marvel, but I mean, who doesn't love a little bit of Batman as well? I mean, I was talking to a friend of mine yesterday that was reading The Killing Joke, which is, in my opinion, one of the best Batman comics I think like ever made. And it just has this really beautiful picture of the Joker with that like sort of like the camera thing. It's like smiling deviously and taking a picture or something. It just looks great.
Weapons ready.
You're not gonna get me blocked off, you son of a bitch. So we're doing okay. If I throw the Nubian egg out here and he kills the big one, and then we buff the other one to get both of them out, that's pretty good. So, you know, return from the grave and all that good stuff.
What to do? What to do?
That's exactly the question I ask myself every time I'm getting out of the bed. Getting out of the bed. Getting out of bed in the morning.
And
Oh, we've got one of the new cards. Well, they're hardly new cards at this point. But wait, so his Inspire is gain 1 spell damage. So why don't we start throwing in some of these guys? Blam. Just so that we might actually pop this one. And then Avenge might hit either one of these two. We'll see. We'll see what happens.
Get behind me.
Okay, I mean, I can see... Please, please, please be nice to me. Oh, dear God, that did not go as planned. But, I mean, I can just sacrifice this guy to take out that tall guy then. He done goofed a little bit. But... I mean, I could use Aldor Peacekeeper to buff him down to 1 attack and then keep the 4/2/1. Get another one out.
What to do?
And then buff them
What to
both
do?
again with a Quartermaster. Is it worth it? We'll see what card we draw. Yeah, screw it. Let's do that. Let's see where that goes. So we pop this guy here. We get another one of these ones out, and just for the sake of actually, so he's gonna take that one out with the hero power next turn, which I don't mind because I want to buff this one to become better than this one, kind of. I don't know. I'm speculating a lot here, and it's not like I have any proper knowledge of what an opponent's gonna do or not. I mean, only the really skilled. Yeah, and see, like, then he done fucks me over with this, but I mean, oh well, I'll have the man. No! Oh, he ruined, he foiled my plans. What a devious fellow. That's not nice.
I hope you like my invention.
I really don't think I will. I mean, you've got a freaking wooden wrench or something over there. That doesn't look like a very good invention to me. So, blam, blam, go, face, just for the sake of going face, I guess. I mean, we're winning by almost half the health. This Cisco doesn't seem to be doing very well. I mean, he probably could have made an epic computer to play Hearthstone on, but that don't make him good at Hearthstone, I guess. What does it say about, I mean, what does it say about the people that I can win while I'm half asleep here in front of the computer, streaming with a pretty horrible deck that I made myself? Like, this is not a net deck or anything. This is just the whole framework of a Death Rattle Paladin. And I mean, I don't know. I honestly don't know. Why don't we get another secret going? That's returning a minion to health with 1 life. That looks pretty good to me. Let me do this.
Reporting for duty. For justice.
And let's just fill our health up again. 'Cause that's the logical thing to do. So if he either kills this or kills this, I mean, I know he's never gonna kill this, but I mean, if he kills this one, I can get another one. I can buff them both, give them 3/3, so they actually become of some use to me. Who knows? I might even draw Muster for Battle and Quartermaster in the same turn and actually be able to use them.
What to do?
Bear in mind that has never happened before. Ever, ever, ever. And we even fucked it up last time by replacing the Quartermaster. And we got Muster for Battle. Okay, Mookla's Champion. What does he do again? Oh, give your other minions +1/1. Okay, that's pretty
We
decent.
must cleanse the Sunwell.
That's a pretty good Inspire. But you kind of done goofed with, yes please. There you go. Turn that one to life with 1 health. I mean, that is full health for this guy.
Someone's
So,
out on me.
comes out to the same thing, I guess. Alright, well, why are you... this is also something I never get with people playing Hearthstone. But you feel the need to completely wait out your turn when you literally have nothing else to do. That just seems really strange to me.
Reporting for duty. To arms, men!
2 arms, men. There we go. So what we do now is we kill this thing. And we go face. And this one we can take care of next turn, I guess, with like this one and this one or something. That's to say if he doesn't like flame strike us right now and just clears the whole board, but at least we've got our ace in the hole, Guardian of Kings. And he does only have 10 health while we still have as much preferred over the flame strike, but it just might mean that he's just stalling for the flame strike. Never know. Here comes the... Oh, sorry. Oh, you're bound to get a few of these. But yeah, it just feels like he's stalling a little bit for the flame strike. Which is, oh, there you go. That is a pretty decent buff, like 1/1, and he's buffed for 1/1. 4/7, like what the heck? That's just okay, so he...
Someone's out on me.
Yes. Thank you for ending your turn in a proper way. Alright, so what we're gonna do here is that we're actually gonna... Because this guy's gonna get buffed even more, we're just gonna throw him down right now.
Reporting for
Do a
duty.
little dance. You know. Get down tonight in general. Am I? Is that... I don't know what I'm doing tonight though. To be perfectly honest.
You shall not pass.
Oh, a dangerous one card at the end of the game. Doesn't, like, where is your Flame Strike lady? Where is it? Oh, just a 7/7/7 War Golem. Okay, that makes sense to me. It's logic, I guess. Yeah, okay, this is getting dangerous here. I will, I'm gonna have to do something about this. But the one thing that should be noted about this deck is its biggest flaw is the fact that it does not
Time runs out on me.
have a board clear. It does not have Consecrate or anything at all. Which is a very serious problem when I think about it. Okay, so we've got 2 Guardians of Kings, so this is pretty much what we're gonna do. We're gonna keep these guys and toss them out whenever we lose a bit of health from this guy. But what I'm gonna do right now is just going straight like this, and then I'm just gonna go face. Just gonna force his hand to clear my board a little bit, and then throwing out the Guardian of Kings, and slowly tick him down, I guess. Cause I mean, he's gonna have to take care of this eventually. If he doesn't, I'm gonna draw a card that allows me to do it. And then, you know, stuff and things will happen, I guess.
I wonder.
I have no idea. I'm perfectly honest. I'm gonna try my best. Oh god, please don't have the... Oh no, please don't have the survival thingy bob. Ice barrier, or whatever it's called. But I'm gonna try my best to actually do and have a thumbnail for the stream next time. I'm hoping I can find some time to do that. Because it looks kind of like naked and ugly. Just, you know, just hanging there on the Facebook page or whatever.
Time runs out
And
on
like
me.
nothing is happening. So, yeah. We'll see how that goes. Just feels like this ranked game is... Oh my god, no, why? A 9/9 fucking... Yeah, I'm gonna have to... I mean, see, he's going for phase. Yeah, I see why he went for phase, but thing is, with this thing here, we've actually won. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna put this one, this
Last
in here.
warning.
Now, please don't actually be... Okay, we're still okay. We're still okay.
Reporting for duty. To battle.
So we do this, and we do this.
Job's done.
And if he attacks me face with anything he has, he's going to die. If he pings me first, I'm dead. 9. So here goes. Let's hope he's dumb and goes for a minion attack first. I don't think Cisco has the knowledge to do it. Can he attack me face first? He's gonna clear my board. Come on! Let me win! No! Please! Fuck. Damn you!
Well played.
Oh my god! How do people know about this? Like, how do people know that eye for an eye is a thing for Paladin? Oh my god. That's so annoying! Oh, man. We're not off to a good start here, so, I mean, no, wait, I'm actually gonna switch it over to the mech page for a little bit. I feel like we need a win. I mean, watching me suffer is always fun, I guess, but there's no harm in winning at least one game, I guess. So, yeah, let's have at it. Theoden! Or does Theoden have, like,
You asked
TH? EODN? I don't know. Should have probably went face with the 1-1. Didn't I not go face with the 1-1, Arnor? I believe I did. Tell me if I'm just talking out of my ass here. I mean, pretty sure that. Well, yeah, I see what you mean. Because if I'd have gone face with the 1-1 first, and then gone, yeah, I would have won. But I was dumb, and I was dumb, and he wasn't. So you know that's what you're here for, isn't it? You're here for half asleep Hearthstone, the fails, the misplace, and yeah. That's true. I did go with the 3-2-1 instead of the 1-1. Which it would have really made a lot more sense, wouldn't it? Tinkerton Technician, next turn. Sure. Things are happening. Greetings, Theoden. You have the beautiful. Oh no! Please don't tell me it's a mech freaking. That would just be super mean, you know? Blam. Here we go. Just my turn. Oh god, no. Well, I don't actually have mechs, but I'd love to actually keep a mech around for the Goblin Blast Mage. But we'll see. It is a mech rogue against a mech mage. Can anyone say Robot Wars? And yeah, can anyone say Robot Wars? Or what's it called? Is it called Robot Wars? Or Thunderdome or something? It feels like Thunderdome or something like that. I have no idea. No idea at all. But yeah, okay, so we actually get a mech, but we still don't have the so why don't we play a little dance with this, and then this, and just go face, just for some damage. See that one face, which is pretty good. Your Robot Wars in the UK and BattleBots in the US. David in the chat says, thank you, David. Thanks for clearing that up. I believe I try watching. Okay, that basically renders my secret. That renders my secret useless. But yeah, I guess I watched like Robot Wars. No, I watched BattleBots because I mean BattleBots was just so heavily influenced by the WWE as a TV show, and that was quite interesting, I guess. Really? Really? You couldn't throw two in this guy's direction? I mean, oh my god. Okay, fair place, I guess, but. And that's annoying as poop. But...
Come close and listen.
No! I don't want to come close and listen. But I do have Blizzard, which is... No! Why? Oh wait, no, never mind. See, he's gonna give me 2 copies of this, which is pretty darn good. So we can clear the field. Yes, we can. We can clear his field. I mean, he's gonna do it pretty much for us, but I believe it's in our favor to get rid of, yeah, especially like that. All of these things are getting buffed. So let's just do this to clear his field. We are losing currently. We've got nothing on the board and stuff, but next turn. Goblin Blast Mage, and the Clockwork Gnome, and an Unstable Portal. Why would you buff your weapon for only 1 attack? Seems ineffective to me. Oh, dear lordy poo. So let's do this. Let's do that. Thank God for that. Come on, Unstable Portal, give us something good. Deal 1 damage to a random enemy. Flame Juggler.
Job's done.
Eh, wouldn't have killed the tiger anyways, but we can take him out with. Oh, are you just gonna go for the stealth kill on me now? I mean, that's almost lethal right there. But go on, do it. You know you want to. No, you're just gonna keep ticking me down with that blade of yours. Well, no, might as well go for it. I mean, I have 2 turns now to actually do something. So let's kill this thing off. And now with the sheer firepower I have right now, is there value in it for me to throw out this one and the technician along with a duplicate? Because he's just gonna go face. So he has 3, he has 5 damage. If he draws another card that can actually do anything.
I will be your death.
Will you now?
Tinkering?
Oh no.
I am ready.
Here we go again. Half asleep Hearthstone plays. Good fucking job. I mean, absolute, just brava, sir. Brava. Fucking let's just stealth this guy. I mean, we lost this. I mean, we had a chance of getting a freeze. Something, maybe. But I mean, our best bet, if we get a freeze on this guy, we might have a chance of winning. If she has any damage card right now. No, she does not. Okay, that benefits me. But literally 1 health left. And unless I can freeze her in the next turn, which would require me to do... So basically, like this. Give me a freeze. No. Nah, nothing of real importance here then. If we do... What can we do? We can do this. We can do this. And we still lose, I guess. Unless I can trick him into thinking I actually have... I can trick him into not attacking. I mean, it's highly unlikely, but he's gonna do it. Now, no, I only have 1 more left. Can trick him with thinking I have a fireball as well. Alright, so he basically popped one of my secrets, which makes it all the less likely that... And he popped the second secret, which means he knows I've got fuck all. Oh. Yay! I guess we're doing great. Yeah? We're still, I mean, 3 games in and we're still sitting on 21 stars. I mean, we're getting spells, we're completing quests, but fuck if that's anything to, like, to do, you know. Ay, ay, ay. We're not, I mean, I guess RNG Jesus did not just go to the bathroom. He flat out just ran out. Just like,
You asked for it.
just went,
My magic
fuck
will
that,
tear
no,
you
I'm out.
apart.
And I mean, I guess you can't really blame him, can you? So let's go for the possible mana curve. Yeah, that's a pretty good start turn, if you ask me. 2 bots, if he doesn't throw anything out, anything particularly good. Okay, so that's gonna be pretty handy. So we're gonna coin, we're gonna mech warper, which gives us the ability to put out a clockwork gnome, hopefully making him waste his hero power on the clockwork gnome this turn, and therefore not being able to put anything extra on the field. I mean, that'd be pretty nice, I guess. Optimal setting, he does something even more stupid than that. I mean, we could just do that, I guess. Okay. So, well, we're gonna... Well, ain't that just perfect? So what are we gonna do? Blam, blam, and blam. So he will not be able to do anything in his third turn as well. Biding time for my Tinkertown Technician, which I will actually play correctly this game, believe it or not. I mean, it's actually gonna get played properly. Avastone. There you go. Deal 1 damage. What do we get this time? We get a Give Taunt, which is pretty good. Alright, so he takes out 1, takes out 2. I still have a Taunt to deal with, because I can't seem to be able to keep them. Blam! Let's get the third freaking... Oh, we've got like all except the really good one that we kind of maybe would have wanted. Swatting you. Thanks, a third of more. That's gonna be a bit hard, but I mean, thanks for caring enough to go to the trouble of doing that, because I'm pretty sure that only works in certain countries, and the country where I'm sitting right now ain't one of them. So, I mean, whatever. Yeah, I'm glad. I'm just glad you care enough, or that you hate this stream enough. I mean, if that's the case, then I have achieved something, I guess. We do, Arnor, we do, but I'm pretty sure they're not gonna react to a. I mean, I at least hope that we're civil enough to. I mean, worst case scenario, we're gonna. Yeah, David has a point. The police in Iceland don't even have guns. So the worst thing that's probably gonna happen if you try to SWAT my stream would be to we either get a phone call or we get a very nice police officer checking in on us, I guess. I mean, I don't mind. They're usually pretty good guys or gals. And oh, come now, that was just mean. But yeah, thanks for tuning in and like making the stream a bit more interesting, I guess. Well, we're just gonna pull this guy out of there again, because why? No, I might lose my mech warper, but honestly, don't really care. I might grab another. Should get another mech soon. I haven't been grabbing a lot of mechs recently, so blam, blam, blam. Oh, he can actually get rid of my mech warper, but maybe it's in his favor to. Oh, he's gonna get rid of both, I guess. Get ready, bro. End your stream. I mean, if you're gonna bring my stream down, go ahead, man. I mean, this chat stays there. It's pretty easy to report you or whatever. I mean, you have 0 subscribers and everything. I mean, if you want to be weird and kind of pathetic, that's fine by me. I mean, if you have literally nothing better to do than... No, get wrecked as well. I mean, you just got... yeah, you just got served as well. I mean, your grammar is bad and you should feel bad, I guess. No, but like, if you have nothing better to do than bring a stream down that has 3 legit viewers and you are one of them, I mean... I mean, kudos to you to have the knowledge to do it, but honestly, I don't really see the point. Thanks for sparking up, like, a really good topic and making this very interesting, because I'm pretty sure if you do shut this stream down and then I do upload it to YouTube, it's gonna get a lot more attention than if you didn't. So, I mean, kudos to you for being a good guy, I guess. In your own way. And I mean, you've even helped me win the first ranked game. I'm going to dedicate this ranked win, this very, very possible ranked win, to a Thurvamore, the very lovely hacker guy in the chat of the stream, sporting a Guy Hawks masks for his icon on the thing. So yeah, you know, doing a good job. Doing a good job. Okay, so we got a mech as well, which is handy as hell. So then we do this. Blam, 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 blam. Gives us 4. Let's give this guy some stealth. Let's see what happens. Blam, blam. Perfect! Perfect! Absolutely perfect. See, I make everybody win when I talk trash. You see? Oh, the guy recognizes his own power. Like, kudos to you, man. Like, yeah. Talking trash is fine. Like, guys, I mean, it's fun. I mean, boy, I get as salty as you could. Woo! Here we go, RNG. Jesus, here we go. He popped in for a little goodbye. We've actually reached 20. Yeah, 20. Did we? Yes, 20. There we go. Woohoo! No, but like seriously, swatting. I mean, I'm pretty sure you were just trolling a little bit, man. It's fine. But I mean, since we're on the topic of swatting, I obviously think this is a very serious problem that is two-sided, of course. Because I mean, the people that actively and actually swat other people's streams have a very serious problem. Because I mean, why? Just the fact that you could either be that jealous or that spiteful of someone that is playing computer games online with a few people watching to fake call the police and tell them that there either is a bomb or whatever and stuff. That is a serious problem in itself, but I also think that the way certain law enforcement agencies in certain countries react to stuff like this may be a little bit crazy, because simply because I'm getting really off topic here. Simply because, let me try to finish this sentence. I live in a really small country. I mean, Iceland has 330,000 people in total. We've not gone to the phase of, we have not experienced, to my knowledge, recently any sort of national terrorist attacks. I mean, we have a whole bunch of topics we could rave and rant about, I guess, but compared to many other nations' problems, they're not really a big thing. And I just guess we're just not there. I mean, I went to Japan last October, and what was one of the more notable things for me when I was there was the fact that there were no trash cans, like, anywhere. At all, anywhere. And that was because they just don't have them. I guess because they're a clean enough they are a clean enough country and a nation, or people, or whatever you want to use, whichever word you want to use for it, that they don't actually toss trash and stuff on the streets. But also I think it was because public bins or trash cans or whatever you want to call them, they are obviously dangerous. Oh really? Did I get them? Oh, come on now. But yeah, like there are danger for people to either put bombs in and stuff like that. So I mean, my general opinion on swatting and all that is just like, I mean, it's fine. I mean, I could take a joke about it. Like, Athera Moore was obviously joking about it, and we had fun with that. But I mean, if you do it for real, that's just not cool, man. I mean, you really need to get yourself a better hobby. I mean, with the computer skills you have, and the computer skills you need, like the knowledge you need, not exactly the computer skills maybe, but just the fact that the knowledge you need to have to actually swat someone, that knowledge you could use to go out and get some sort of a job. I mean, like, I might be talking out of my ass here, but from my perspective, you could get a job doing at least some computer work with that sort of knowledge. If not, I mean, you could start doing something yourself, because obviously you're smart enough to attain knowledge that is not really out there. I mean, I know it is, but it's not readily accessible by everyone. It's not something you don't learn how to, swat a stream or whatever it is in school. That's not something you, that's not something you learn. Something you have to teach yourself, I guess. And And I mean, with that attitude and with that ability to learn stuff like this, why not just take that ability and use it for something decent? Like freaking making your own computer game, or making your own website or program or whatever. I mean, yeah. This priest looks like he's gonna kick my ass if I get back to if I get actually back to the task at hand.
I can fix anything.
This guy is 4-7, which is pretty freaking annoying, but I mean, if he throws out some decent stuff next turn, I can just Blizzard. If he lets me keep the Flame Walker, which I don't think he will, we'll see what happens. We will legit see what happens. Oh my god. I broke the window. I'm sorry. I wasn't really reacting to this. I knew that was gonna happen. No, don't Light of Naru me, you son of... Well... Wait.
Well played.
He done goofed! What? Oh, okay, here we go. Here comes the... Well, he won't be able to heal this guy anymore, but... I might just as well take this stuff out. So, blam, let's do this. Let's actually take this one out, because I do not like him to be able to... would not like to have him be able to just clear out some of my worst minions instantly.
Do you like to play with fire?
Fire is fun, I guess. It's something. Alright, let's just actually pop this down over here. Pop this stuff over here. Get rid of that sheep. We're doing okay, I guess. We're very low on cards and stuff, but not really doing great, I guess. There's a golden priest. I'm kind of scared of that. Never really... Wait. Nice, wise girl. It's a pretty decent username, I guess. I'm just really happy I got Sigils for Hearthstone. Because I came quite late into Hearthstone. I didn't, like, do it day one. And, so I wasn't even sure I was going to get the username Sigils, but... And it's quite handy as well, because then Battle.net obviously registers it with your whole thing, so the very few games of... What was it? Heroes of the Storm? Yeah, the very few games of the Heroes of the Storm I've actually played. They actually have been, or actually get to be called Sigils there as well. So that's pretty handy. Ooh, hang on. The stream has actually stopped playing for me in my side browser, but no, wait, we're back. Just needed to refresh my window, I guess. Sort of freezes it, stops showing me what's going on. Why would you make... That is the strangest use of...
Well played.
That is the strangest use of wild pyromancers I think I've ever seen. What is this guy doing? Of all the things you could have given me, you gave me a free explosive sheep. Because that's life, I guess. When you open an unstable portal, you're more likely to get an explosive sheep than you are anything else. I mean, you'd think by now as well, with all the casting of all the portals and all that stuff, all these unstable portals and shit, that you would have actually gotten, like, the portal stable by now, and so you could have retrieved the card or whatever. Okay, now I'm happy with the sheep, because it literally gave me this. Like, it made this work for me. So there you go, unstable portal. You're good in my book now. You actually paid off, because okay, sure, he's gonna deal 2 damage, but he's still gonna leave him 4 for 3. And, oh, that's what he was waiting for. That's a lot less fun. Yeah, okay.
Well
I knew something like this was gonna happen, because honestly, it was just like, well, shit. So why don't we just do... fuck it, why don't we just do this then? Why not? I mean, when a friendly minion dies, I would have loved to have gotten the mirror thing, you know, where if he puts down a minion, it copies it. Instead of this one, because I actually need a friendly minion on my field to be there. What does he have in his hand? Like, does he have... What? I'm so confused. Is this guy playing mind games with me? Like, what is going on? I've got 15 cards left. He does have 12. He's been drawing a bit. How did he draw so many cards, though? Thought Steal. Would have thought... Would have thought he'd used that earlier, but I guess not.
Hostile entity detected.
Yeah, alright, just get the fucking best card in my deck. That's fine. That's fantastic. I love that.
Thank you.
And he... I mean, I guess I should be glad that he didn't draw it, per se, because then he would have cleared the freaking one tiny little clockwork gnome I had. But... oh my goodness gracious me. Really? Like, you're not even kidding me. Oh my goodness gracious. I mean, I've got 2 more clockwork gnomes, but he just got the 2 absolutely best cards he could have gotten out of my deck. I'm not even joking. If I don't draw this card soon... oh, this is something. If I do this, and I do this, I can actually play this thing next turn. We can give this guy 1 extra health. Not that it's gonna matter, but might as well, I guess. So that if he has another one of those priests that can change his power to damaging instead of healing, he couldn't kill it with his healing whatever thingy bobber. I don't know, but I'm very afraid of losing this game, and that's not gonna be fun. I wouldn't like to lose this game. I'd like to win 1. I mean, epic losing streak was just averted with the last win. We have a Thurva more to thank for that. And there we go. Didn't even get the freeze, so we're pretty fucking boned right now. Holy Nova, don't really know why he was saving that. What? Did you already waste his attack? Or are you just... dumb? You see, now I've got this useless goblin blind. Wait, if I press... no, it doesn't matter anyway. He's gonna have to waste 1 to kill it, and otherwise he could have used the other one to do suffer things and survive, blah blah. No, I think I'm ready to admit defeat, to be honest. I really need to go to bed. Yeah, I even done goof just by making him taunt. So there we go, that's is that GG? I've got 13. No, I'm gonna survive with 1 health, which I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna have to come on, get it over with. Stop fucking tormenting
magic will tear
me.
You apart.
That's not nice. It's really not nice. Ay ay ay. See, there you go. There you go. Come on, can you deal 1 more damage? Can you deal 1 more damage? No.
Quickly.
Nice, wise girl. Done did a good job.
I can't do that.
Bah! My goodness gracious. That was beyond horrible. Simply beyond horrible. We lost that game very hard. Do we go for the one last mech mage just to finish the spells? Alright, let's do one more. Let's do one more. Oh my goodness. I mean, if I do any more, I will just pass out in this chair and you will have a 6-hour long stream of me just snoring in a chair, and I really don't think that's the entertainment you're looking for by coming here. So,
Jaina!
yeah.
Versus Anduin!
The light shall bring victory.
Oh,
You asked
look,
for
it's
it.
William the Priest. He actually has a priest-like name and everything. William the Priest. Well, William the Conqueror, but if nothing else. Alright, pretty shitty starting hand. Nothing we can do about that. Do we throw him a greetings? Let's throw him a,
Hello.
hello. Please
Greetings.
don't have grabbed some of my more OP cards. Chugga 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 chugga. Alright. Chugga chugga. That's... Oh my god. Okay, Shadow Word, Pain. I guess that is worth it. I mean, I would have liked keeping him around so I could have used the Tinker Time Technician, but I also have the Flame Waker. I can't even speak properly. Go down pub, drink beer. Yes. Oh, and even... Oh my god, why? William the Priest, why?
Mocking me?
Is someone injured?
That card is fucking OP. What?
Flame on!
That just makes no sense to me. I have this card, Wormrust Agent, but to be perfectly honest, why would you not kill my guy and heal your thing and gain another free card? That seems really strange to me.
Hurry up! Portal online! Hurry up!
That's very handy though. That's gotta be one of the handier things, because then we do
Something
this,
needs tinkering?
and then we do this,
Ready!
and then we do this, and we do this. So we won't be able to draw any more cards from it. Oh, jeez Louise. It's actively, like, it's taking the brunt of my mental fortitude to actually just stay awake. But right, let's put this secret out here. Let's toss this guy out here. Let's actually give this guy stealth the next turn, hoping he might spend some crackerjack on killing this guy, and then I get 2 more, which means I could toss them both out next turn and get even more spare parts. Love me some spare parts, don't I? I do. So, I really doubt that anyone watching right now is familiar with this topic, but I had this discussion early on in the, I believe it was the first Rocket League stream I did. And we talked about, like, singing songs on stream and such, because there have been reports, as soon as YouTube gaming started, we had reports of people's streams getting pulled down because of singing songs like Happy Birthday. Please give me the Tinker Timer. Okay, that's at least something. Yeah, we had like reports of people actually getting their streams pulled down for singing Happy Birthday and shit like that. And that just seems really strange. But apparently, because I saw this, but I didn't read about it. I didn't read the whole article, but just, it was a headline that caught my eye on Facebook the other day. That apparently there have been some changes to the way copyright stuff works for, wow, I'm glad I didn't throw this guy out there. But yeah, like, there's been some changes to the, what was it? The copyright thing for the Happy Birthday song itself. So that actual thing, like, actually finally has a proper thing. I'm sorry I don't know like enough about this, about the topic itself, but it was just a headline that caught my eye, and I mean it just seems so strange that a song that any English-speaking nation, and a lot of non-English-speaking ones as well, just identify with your day of birth as the celebratory tune, could actually have some sort of copyright infringement thing. So I mean, imagine just if one of those really assholey guys, like the one that bought the freaking cancer medicine the other day. Like, if you imagine a guy like that would actively try to enforce endorsement for singing that birthday song, I mean, like, what would happen? Would people just not go like, nah, man, and just not pay, or would he get sued for trying to do it? I don't know. Like, it just seems like a pretty interesting concept, because the law system, it's a tricky one. It's a tricky one. Got to know all sorts of lots of things. And, yeah. So if he kills this off, if he actually kills this off, we, might get something going for ourselves. Because, we obviously have the, duplicate secret chilling out here with us. That might result in some pretty decent... Or... he could just not do a thing, and I'm just gonna play my flame walker then. Why don't I just make him stealthy? Can he do his thing? He that just negates the stealth. It's fine, I've got lethal anyway. So actually won another game. Wait, I lost a star? Yeah, I did. Of course I did. Oh my goodness gracious. We've completed the quest. We've got 95 gold. Where are we on winning like 3 games in play mode or something? I don't know. Okay, why don't we go super try hard for 1 game and try to get the 10 gold for winning 3 games, and then we can buy a pack. I don't know. Yeah. Maybe RNGesus will decide to shine his light upon us again and give us a rare, well, an epic and a legendary in the same pack like he did before. So that was pretty great. I mean, that's probably going to be the height of my gameplay day. Alright, go and try hard against RRKZ. Very capital, very angry about the looks of things. Blam blam blam. For those of you, I'm just gonna say it again, we have some new people. For those of you wondering about the headband and what's going on with that, this is a legit, but this is a little souvenir that I got from a Japanese exchange student friend of mine at the university, because I'm studying Japanese at the university, and it's a lot of fun. It's very hard as well, but I'm getting okay at it. It's getting there. The stream health looks yellow. It's getting a little bit sick. Are we experiencing any problems known to anyone? Should be going phase, but I don't really care. All right. Can we? Yes, we can. What's he gonna do? Oh, he's gonna coin out. What? Oh, he's gonna coin out Arcane Explosion. That's a little bit annoying. Oh, but wait. We get the thing and the taunt. So what to do? Let's toss this one out. For now, we'll buff him up next turn with Houndmaster, or we will Loatheb next turn, depending on what he does. Okay, he just flat out destroys it, which means we're gonna Loatheb next turn then. That's fine by me. If we can save the freezing trap to actually do something pretty decent, it's fine by me as well. He does see you, and now you can't cast any spells for a turn. Well, not unless they're like really cheap ones.
What's happening?
6 or more cards in my hand. That's a dangerous little card. But thankfully I don't. So So why don't we do? Wait. No, we don't have enough money for it.
To my side.
Bam. We're good for the next turn, I guess, unless he has Blizzard, and we're kind of fucked. But I can buff this guy and give him taunt with Howlmaster next turn. And I really should throw out the Eagle Horn Bow before he triggers the freezing trap. I really should have done that the other turn, but that's, you know, that's what this stream is here for. Epic misplays and not really doing what I'm supposed to. I actually cleared my board pretty decently, but alright, so let's see. Blam. Blam. Doing okay. For those of you wondering, this is a really old, like the maximum cheese kind of face hunter deck that you can make. At one point you could make with 800 dust or something, and it's just like it's just a death rattle sort of deck thing.
To my side.
Just going right for his ass. I guess that's a pretty good idea if we intend to actually win. Like, I mean, I could have just done this from the start. Just gone try hard and just won games. Actually provided some decent watching material. Or, I mean, I don't know. Would you prefer watching me fail? I guess that's why you're here on the stream. I know that's why some of you are here. And then for good reason. Alrighty. Can we do it? Yes, we can. No, I can't kill this thing. Ah! Alright. He actually managed to deal some damage to us, but that was simply and only by our own making, I guess. Oh wait, no, he pinged us that one time, didn't he? That's annoying. Don't even get the freaking death rattle from it. But that's what you expect from a mage. Am I right? Am I right? Alright, so let's start with this one. Don't want to give her a... don't really want to give her a freaking mad scientist that can give her you know, more secrets. Because secrets are bad, guys and gals and kids and cods and sods. Because they only hurt you. See, you know, she's just stacking up secrets. That's gonna hurt her family and friends. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Alright, let's just go for lethal, see what it brings us. Blam. Gets us the other two. Blam. Did nothing. Use this trigger. Yeah, right. That's triggered ice block, but she's dead next turn anyway. So, yup. Yepsy doodle. Spell damage. Come on, can you make a play with spell damage this turn?
Magic detected.
You do have taunt, but... Whoa! Hardcore mech mage right there. Okay, so she's gonna actually manage to clear my taunt guy, but it's not gonna be enough. It's not gonna be enough. Oh, come on! I didn't even get to see what card I was gonna draw. That's mean. Right, come on, can we get the... Hey, award for three games in play mode. There we go. We actually done did it. So we have 105. So why don't we buy a pack? Let's go for... I'm obviously going to go for the Grand Tournament packs, because those are obviously the ones you want to buy these days. It's the new expansion. Yeah, let's get into opening this pack. I read online that it's better to shake them. It's better to shake them up a little bit. See what you get. Shake it, shake it, shake it some more. Come on! Can RNG Jesus help us out? Nothing. Rare. Or whatever. Nothing. Nothing. Come on, last one. Epic! I mean, we are getting very lucky with packs today. So let's see. Northsea Kraken. That's not a bad card to just get normally. Wrathguard. Whenever this minion takes damage, also deal that amount to your hero. Oh yeah, shit, I saw some hilarious plays the other day with this card. Reveal a minion in each deck if yours costs more. Yeah, that's like the RNG thing. Oh, a golden rare effigy. What? What is happening? Like, what the actual poop is happening? And what is this epic? It is the Mysterious Challenger. Put one of each secret for me. Wow, man, that's just amazing. What the hell? That's insane. I mean, that's just weird. Oh my goodness. Well, I don't know what's next. I mean, try for the level 40 hunter and the rank something. I don't know. No, I think we're gonna do one last tavern brawl. And then we're gonna redo the. Let's see if we can actually win another tavern brawl. And see where that takes us. And then I really think I need to go to bed. I've been saying that for the last half an hour, last 45 minutes, maybe even. And still not happened. But that's because there are some of you actually watching. And this just became very interesting because we actually have a Warlock against Warlock. So let's see who can outperform who. We get a pretty decent star. We get a Blood Imp into a Mistress of Pain. Maybe even a Flame Imp, which is perfect. Perfect. Then I'm just gonna have to life tap next turn if he has a Flame Imp as well. Then bump up the... No, he only has a Blood Imp, so that's fine then. So why don't we do this? And why don't we just square off the damage here, since, I mean, we easily can. Keep buffing up this guy. Next turn on 3 mana, we can... drain draw. He's gonna want to do. So is it in our interest then to get the Mistress of Pain and another Blood Imp? Yeah, why not? Why don't we just keep buffing this gal up here? She can deal 1 damage and like sort of every now and then heal us. Yeah, I think that's gonna be. I think that's gonna look good. It's gonna look pretty good. Stream health pops down like every now and then, but so I can deal 2 damage to all non-demon minions, which leaves it at 2. Why don't I just draw a card for now? I'm just gonna try and get the Molten Giant out as fast as I can. Oh, they buffed each other. I forgot they can actually do that. Which is kind of nice, because then if they buff each other a few more times, they should survive some of the stuff, you know. I really need to deal some more damage to myself just to get a few more minions. Maybe the Sludge Belcher or the Float. Now the Floating Watcher, I think, is the best option right now, unless we draw something extra good next turn. Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please. Yes, please. Thank you. Let me do this. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Playmaking available here. Playmaking available at something.com. Don't go to something.com. I don't think that's a very safe site to go to. It might be just like a humor site, or it might just be something really bad. So, like, for me, don't do it, please. Oh, he's sticking with me. Oh, he's a sneaky bastard. Oh, he's a sneaky bastard. There you go. All right, all right. Let's see what you're doing. Let's see what you're doing. The thing is, if you deal a little bit more damage to me, if you go face with all those 3 suckers, I can go Molten Giant next turn. So let's see what he does. Come on, Difk. Is that his name, right? Difk. How would you pronounce it? I don't even know. Because YouTube Gaming does not allow voice chats, which would be hilarious if it did. I mean, can you imagine? Can you imagine? Wait, he's gonna kill my my witch. I'm gonna heal a little bit from that as well. I'm gonna heal up a whole bunch. I buffed that guy as well. Alright, so deal 1 damage to all other characters. That seems like it should be worth it for me right now because that kills that one. Leaves my 2 guys still stealth and still ready to go. So worth it! Especially if they buff that guy as well. Woohoo! Alright, come on. Go face for a little bit or something so I can actually grab the Molten Giant, toss him out there, and then if he survives I can faceless manipulate him the turn after. I mean, I can't believe I'm actually having mild success with a Tavern Brawl deck that I legit made. Like, what? Freaking in 3.5 seconds or something in the freaking creator thing. Alright, so now we can actually do this. We can do this, and we can do this. So he's gonna do that, and destroy minions on either side of this minion to gain their attack and health. Now, this could potentially be devastating if this guy stays alive, and I can toss the Molten Giant out, and I could make one single OP guy out of this. I mean, I think it's definitely worth a try. I think we should go for it. And then I can face missile and manipulate that guy as well, which just seems ridiculously OP in my opinion. Well, I mean, he's gonna lose a lot of health, but oh, okay. Yeah. And he just goes on and clears my field. Well, he used most of his good cards to do that, so I guess we're in luck because we can do this, and we can also do this. Like, good luck killing my thing with any of your things. Oh, wait. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, we have enough to do it. Oh my god, it's gonna become like legendary epic. This is amazing. Please tell me we can pull this off. Okay, so he silenced that guy. Please don't tell me you can kill this guy in 1 move. Please don't tell me you have like Twisting Ether or something. Surely that costs like 8 mana. Oh, come on. I really want to see it happen. I really want to see it happen. Oh my god, that would be so cool. Like, it would be... Oh my goodness.
So many possibilities.
The gates are open.
Okay, thank god. Okay. It's gonna happen, guys. It's gonna happen. Holy shit, prepare to witness greatness. So we got 2/8/8 Molten Giants. And then we take the Void Terror. A 1919 minion. Actual fuck. I mean, the guy could have lethal next turn, but I genuinely don't care. I mean, the fact that I just achieved a 1919 Void Terror, and I have a Sludge Belcher on my hand for next turn to save my butt if need be. I mean, what
So
the
many
hell?
possibilities.
I mean, I could just win right now as well if I just Soul Siphon or Siphon Soul his freaking Lord of the Arena and just blam straight to the face. That's ridiculous, though. What? I mean, my goodness gracious. That's what you get out of Tavern Brawls. You just play for random trash decks that apparently have a decent play. No, don't, no, you bastard. Don't you dare. Oh my god, and he took oh no. Why? Why would you be this mean? Why would you just not? Oh my god. I know I just killed the thing. I don't care. Don't care. Ah! Would have been the most beautiful thing in the world. I'll have to like edit around the whole freaking thing. Yeah, well, he's gonna die as well.
You smell like a leper gnome.
Do I? Do I smell like a leper gnome? I disagree. I had a shower earlier. I don't think I really should smell like a leper gnome, but fine. I mean, let's do this. And then let's just toss this sucker out. Drain once more. Yep. Alright, come on. We can do it. This is a really slow-paced game, which is really getting on my nerves. But, hey, at least we're winning, sort of. Oh my god, how many taunts do you have? Okay, well, he just kind of sort of cleared the field. Okay, I guess that's fine. Alright, we've got 12, I've got 11. Why don't I just toss this sucker out? Toss this out. Equalize again. Wham. Oh, if I hadn't done that, I could have tossed the Molten Giant out, but oh well. Doesn't really matter. I don't think he has really much to deal with all these, the 3 of these cards. If I toss the Molten Giant and Loatheb out next turn, he's gonna have a hard time removing stuff with all, like removing stuff with spells. Yeah, look, he's got shit cards in his hand, really. He's buffing up with Dark Scale Healer, which is pretty impressive, but the fact that I can do this, and then this, and then this, and then this, and I even, can we get Rag to finish this off? I really think we can. I really think we can. But, I mean, let's see. Let's see if Rag can't finish this up for us. I mean, he's an idiot if he doesn't surrender right now, but... Guess this is a pretty decent game, all in all. I mean, this Tavern Brawl is fun, don't get me wrong. It's a lot less RNG-y than the last one. Ooh, wait! Did he do a turnaround? Oh, fuck me, he actually did. Wait. You can clear this. 6, 7, 8, 9. No, he actually won! What? Wait. What is he doing? Does he not realize that he... Wait, what? There you go, buddy. You actually managed to fucking win. Are you serious with me? Wait. He's doing the math. There you go. Good job. No, wait. He was asleep. Oh, he's asleep. Oh, I thought he was awake. I actually won. Oh my goodness gracious me. Do I dare? Do I dare? Do I dare? Do I dare kill myself and him? Like, what would happen? What would happen? I don't know what would happen. I'm kind of curious. Oh, should I do it? Should I try Hellfire? Come on. Oh, shit, this is very interesting. What do you think happens? Oh my god, I want to win, but at the same time, like, I think he would know if I just, like, forfeit or whatever. Do you think it works? Oh, I don't know. Fuck it, let's do it. Let's see what happens. What happened? We both got defeat. Do it. Just do it. Ardnor says in the chat, and I did it. And we both got defeat. That's quite interesting. Alright. That's a quick little lesson on Hearthstone mechanics, I guess. thanks a lot for tuning in to another Half Asleep Hearthstone. We done goofed quite hard at some points. We managed to win a few ranked games, but not really until we went super try hard. Thanks, I don't know, it was quite magnificent. I do like it. It was an appropriate end to the stream. Really appreciate everyone that came and tuned in. A third or more made a very interesting contribution to the topic collection in this stream. And yeah, I had loads of fun, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Thanks for tuning in. Bye bye.